In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Google business account in 2026, step by step. If you want your business to appear properly on Google and manage your business information with confidence, verification is an important part of the process. It confirms that you are the legitimate owner or authorized manager of the business profile, and it gives you access to features like updating your hours, responding to reviews, and managing your presence on Google. To get started, go to business.google.com and sign in using your business email account. Make sure you're logging into the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one business or use separate accounts for personal and business activity. Using the right account from the beginning can help you avoid confusion later. Once you're signed in, Google will guide you into the verification process for your business profile. At this stage, you may be shown different verification options depending on your business type, location, and Google's eligibility requirements. The available methods can include a live video recording, a phone verification code, or a postcard sent to your business address. Choose the verification method that works best for your situation, and then carefully follow the on-screen instructions. If you're using a live video option, be prepared to provide clear visual proof that you own or manage the business location. That may include showing your storefront, signage, workspace, or other identifying business details, depending on what Google requests during the process. Make sure your video is clear, steady, and well lit so the review can go as smoothly as possible. If phone verification is available, Google will send a code that you'll need to enter to confirm ownership. Be sure you have access to the business phone line before selecting that option. If postcard verification is the method offered to you, double-check that your business address is correct before submitting the request. Since that method can take some time, accuracy matters. As you go through the steps, take your time and read each screen carefully. Google's prompts are designed to walk you through exactly what is needed, and the requirements may vary from one business to another. The key is to provide accurate information and complete the proof of ownership exactly as requested. After you submit your verification, Google may review the information before approving the account. Once verification is complete, you'll be able to manage your business profile more fully and keep your information updated for customers searching online. That's how to verify your Google business account in 2026.